If we look at the requirements hierarchy in Agile, we have 4 levels of requirements, essentially themes, epics, user stories, and tasks. Mostly we hear about epics and user stories in Agile. An epic is a summary level requirement. An epic is broken down into one-to-many stories. A story that adds value to the user, we call it user story. It could be a technical story or other story too. User stories are broken down into tasks. If we look at the theme is a virtual collection of related epics or user stories. Those bunch of user stories or epics make together the minimally marketable feature and making minimum viable product. The hierarchy of the requirements, we have more details as we move down in the hierarchy. User stories have better details than epics. Tasks have more granular details.